Hi, how are you? Okay, here we are. I want to show you a video about StreamStore, how is to set up, how it works, because it's really incredible. You have to see this video. Okay, let's begin. First, I want to show you how you choose with what kind of store you want to build. Okay, so you go here, StreamStore, to the setup wizard. So you have one, you put here your credentials. If I have here 3 countries, you can have one, you can have all, depends what you want to have your default. I put USA default. I go to next. Very simple. We make this with a wizard setup because nobody have to think what to do first, what to do next. So now if you want your store to base in a keyword, for example the Beatles, Rolling Stones, let me think, Disney, what you want, any keyword, all the products will be about that keyword. But for now, let's see without this. This is the default discount you want. If you want free products, very simple. You see there is no complication here. Very simple. Here, because we have 3 countries, you can choose, for example, for each country what are the categories. For example, I choose books and load a subcategory. I can choose children books. I can go more deeper in children books of animals, and like this I can go more to cats. Well, you can make them more specific in a niche, the store, or for all categories. But because I want to show in this demo what is the meaning of unlimited products, that sounds a little hype, like hey, unlimited products, but I want to show you. So let's leave all in all and continue next. And now we are in the last section where we choose what kind of store we want for the niche we choose in the categories or in the keyword. So we choose, I have already chosen, I press finish, and that's the setup. It's very easy, and don't have to think what to do first, what to do next. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's go to the store. We are here in the store. Like you see, we make it with no specific niche, with no specific keyword, to see how many products, what targets can you make. So first, let's see, for example, I was trying many things. For example, let's see Batman. You want to promote about Batman, to send a link to Facebook, or someone come to your store and want to know something about Batman, or post or Facebook ads. So let's see what we have. Okay, so now here we are, Batman. So begin to see that there are some books, more books. Here begin some shirts. Here some for kids, some toys. Here to dress. Here stickers. So what I want to show is that, for example, if you are targeting a fan page of Batman, blog, or you see that if someone loves Batman, they will find something to buy because they have everything. I want maybe this make the video a little longer, but I want to show you to be sure that there is really unlimited. You see, the system never repeat the products. Maybe some product is repeated because there are 2 different prices or different covers, but all the time we can continue, and you always find something funny. You see this dog, so you only have to send this to a target campaign about Batman, and you are done, because then they will find whatever they want here about them. Okay, I'm making it large to be sure that you see that new things come along here. See, that it's incredible. I never think that there's so many products. Also, if you say, well, I don't want to discontinue, I don't want to target really all Batman things. I want to target only, for example, Batman, but let's say some category, for example, Batman, something not so usual. Let me see, sorry, Batman toys. Okay, and let's see what we have. So now all is about Batman toys. See, it's another more specific post or to target, and the same you can do with any category. For example, if you want music, let's see, music about Batman. So now you have all the music about Batman. So you see, you can be doing a lot of posts, a lot of money about Batman. Also, if you can change the header, it's another video to show how to design. But let's see what more we can find. For example, let's see Disney books at 30%. And you see, without doing anything to create the store, now we have a complete store of Disney books in a second. Now we share the link and we are done. Also, for example, you like this book, you can share in Facebook with one click. See, here you have the book, you share. The same you can do with Twitter. The same you can do with Google+. And you can add to cart. See, here have some products. You can remove products that you don't want, close, and you can see inside more details. You see here you have the information about this book, the reviews. You can see the book, how it looks, and you can add here to cart or buy directly. If you buy directly, you already come to Amazon, or you can put in the cart. Also, you see here, you can see more closer with this. Magnify. Here you click checkout and you go directly to the checkout of Amazon to make a 60 days cookie for you with the visitor come here. So you see, this is very attractive. One thing that is very important, what's the difference with very important with other stores, if someone is looking sometimes for an iPhone charger, so nobody is putting, when they choose products for the store, chargers are putting iPhones, all the bestseller products. So all that visitors are going out, because only will buy the ones are looking for iPhones. So let's see if someone come here and want to buy iPhone, let's say iPhone, charger. I rate it okay. Okay, so now you begin to see batteries, different kind of cable, different kinds of way to make this, all the new artifacts that are coming along. So all these visitors with a regular store you lose, because you never choose the chargers to import to your store, because you say, hey, this is not so attractive, but there are people looking for chargers, and now you have a full store of chargers. You see, and continue. This is really incredible. Here I want to show you a little inside the store. For example, here you have the theme options. In the theme options, well, you can change headers. You can have very clear all the colors you are using. You can edit. You can change the language text, to apply texture to the header. Also, for example, you have here SEO settings. In the SEO settings, you can put for the keyword, for the search, for the product, you can put a pixel. For Facebook, for the landing page, or so for the inner page of each product, the keywords for SEO to be ranked the store. Also here you have analytics to see which products were more searched. You can see here the date, the impressions, where the people are coming from, what countries, what are the keywords more searched. So you have also inner analytics to be clear what are the best keywords and the best countries that you have to use. But one of the best things we have also is the dynamic post. I'm going to show you this in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.